Hello there. Good evening. Welcome back with the second puzzle. In additional, not in today's newspaper on Monday. Yes, it's actually today, Monday, May the 1st, 2023. Told you earlier we have no additional with extra puzzles in today's newspaper. So I've decided to solve the rest of the puzzles in the Tuesday edition of April the 25th, 2023, and I've already solved one puzzle, the letter Sudoku. So two puzzles remain: the tectonic with 1 star, in Dutch they call it cipher block, in Japanese Suguru, and this one. Yeah, you are interested in the 2 stars Sudoku. This will be number 6365 here. Before I start, I always count the printed digits well. This one less than the previous Sudoku. 26 printed digits. And for 2 stars a puzzle, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. Alright, so let's get started. With 4, 7. Let me start with 7. 7 in the first column, 7 in the third column. So in the column between the second column, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see a 7 in the third row. No 7 is 7 should be there. 7 in the first row, 7 in the third row. So in the row between the second row, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see a 7 in this column. No 7 there. 7 should be there. Alright. 7 cannot continue with the 7 now. Need to wait. And now. How about the 2 in this column? The 2 in the last column. So the column between. The only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see a 2 in this row. No 2 there. 2 should be there. 2. Okay. 2. 2. No. 2. No, cannot continue with 2. 9. Well, 9. Okay. Ay. How about the 4 in the first row? 4 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 4. Okay. Alright. 5 in the first column, 5 in the second column. So the third column, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. You see a 5 in the middle row, so no 5 there. 5 should be there. The 1 in this row, the 1 in the middle row, so the row above, the only place left for the 1 should be there. The 1 in the third column, the 1 in the second column, so the first column, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 1. Need a 1 there also. 1 and a 2. We have a pair here. 1. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We have a 1 in the second row, so no 1 in these 3 boxes. Here 1 in the last column, no 1 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 in this big square. Should be there. 1. Okay. 1. 1 in the last column, 1 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in this row. No 1 there. 1 should be there. Now I need to wait. Cannot continue. Then 8. 5. 8. 1, 2. 2. 2. Need a 3. And I need a 9. 9 could be everywhere. 9 in the last row. 9 in the row above. So in that row, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 3 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 2 and the 9. We have a 2 and a 9 in the second column, so no 2 and a 9 in this box. The 2 and the 9 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 2 and the 9, 2 and 9. So 1 is left in this big square for number 1 and 2. 3 is missing, alright. 3, 3. And number 6 and 8 are missing, okay. 2, 9 and 8 should be here. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers 5 in this big square. We have a 5 in the second row, so no 5 in these. A 3 box, so 1 box left for the 5. Should be there. 3, 8, 6. Okay, so we have a 5 in the last column, 5 in the column next. So in that column, only place left for the 5 should be there. 5 in this row, 5 in the last row. So the row will be 3. The only place left for the 5 should be there. 5, 5. Okay. 5, 5. Cannot continue with the 5 now. Need to wait again. 4, 4. 4, 4. Need a 6. Need a 8. Need a 3, 3. Need a 2. 2 and a 1. Need a 4 here. Here we have a 4. Well, we have here 6 missing letters. 6 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 1 and 2. We have 1 and 2 in the middle column, so no 1 and 2 in these 2 boxes. We have a 1 and a 2 in this row, no 1 and 2 in those 3 boxes. So the 1 and 2 goes in these 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. Okay, now 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing letters 4. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 in these 2 boxes. So the 4 could be here, could be there. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in the last column, so no 4 in these 2 boxes. So the 4 could be here or there. Here or there. We see a 4 in one of those 2 boxes in this row. So this box can't be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. 4 in one of those 2 boxes in this row. 4 in the row below. So last row, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be a there. Right. 4, 4. Okay. Now, 1, 2, 3, 6, and 8 are missing. Okay. 3, 6. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing. 7 and 8 is missing. 6 and 8, 6 and 8. We have 8 in the third column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and 6 goes there. 6 and 3. So 8 should be here. 1 box left in this row for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing. 8, 8, okay. 8, 8. 8, 8. 8, 8. Yeah. 1 box left in the second column for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing. Need a 6 there. Need a 6 there. 3 and a 6. Okay. Need a 1 here. No 2 there. 2, 2. Yeah. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers 2. We have a 2 in the first row, so no 2 in these 2 boxes. So the 2 in this big square could be here, could be there. 2 in one of those 2 boxes in this third row, 2 in the first row, so the row between the second row, the only place left for the 2 should be there. 1 and a 2. We have a 2 now in this column, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 1 in the third in this column, 1 in the middle column, so the column next down. Need 2 places left for the 1 should be here. Oh, there we see a 1 this row. No 1 there. 1 should be there. Alright, 2. The 3 is missing and 8 is missing. 3, 8. Here can be 8. Yeah, 3 missing numbers in the last, in the third row. One of the missing number in the third row is the number 8. We have 8 in this column, so no 8 there. Here and 8 in the third column, no 8 there. So the only place left for the 8 in this third row should be there. And I've eliminated the 2. So the 2 goes there. 1 box left in this row for number 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 2 and 9, we have a 2 now in third column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 9 goes in there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers, the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 3 and 9, 3 and 9. We have a 9 in the third column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 3 and a 6, okay. And now. What the 2? With all the 2s, we have all the 1s. How about the 9s? No, 9s, we need there, 9. There, 9. 9 in this column, 9 in the column next. So last column, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. You see a 9 in the middle row, no 9 there. 9 should be there. Alright, 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column. So the column next down, need 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be there. Then 8, need an 8 here, need an 8 there. Need a 6 here, need a 3 here. 6, 8. And a 5, 6, 8, 5. 6, 8, 5. No. Well. 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here. Or there, we see a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 5 should be there. So the 8 and the 6 are left. Okay. How about these 2? The 8 and no, the 3 and no. 1, 2, 3 is missing. No, the 3, 4 is missing. 5, 4 and a 6 are missing here. 4 and a 6. Alright. Need a 4 here. 4 and the 6. Yeah, 2 missing numbers in this column. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. The 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and a 6, 4 and a 6. We have a 6 in this row. No 6 there. 6 should be here. 4 goes there, and I've eliminated the 4 there, so the 4 goes here. Alright. Do we have all the 4s? No. 4 in this column, 4 in the column next. So in that column, the only 3 places left for the 4 should be here, or there. You see here 4 in this row, no 4 there. Here 4 in the middle row, no 4 there. So the only place left for the 4 should be there. 1 box left in this row for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. Need a 6 there. Okay, 2 numbers left here in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 3 and the 7, 3 and the 7. I cannot fill this yet. Yeah. Alright, so 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing. The 7 and 8 is missing. 6 and 8, 6 and 8. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and 8 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. We have 8 in the last row. No 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and 6, 3 and 6. We have a 6 in this row. No 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Yeah, this is 6, okay. 3 missing numbers in this big square for the numbers. The 1 and 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. The 7 and 8 is missing. 3, 6, 8. 368, 368, 368, and look for 6 and 8 in this column. So no 6 and 8 in this box. 6 and 8 goes in those two boxes. That's the pair. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 3. 1 box left in the last column for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7. He's missing 7 and a 3. We have a 7 now in the middle row. No 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 3 goes there. 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row, so the row above, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here. Oh, there we see a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing, the 7 and 8 is missing, 6 and 8, 6 and 8. We have 8 in the middle row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Final 2 numbers, same numbers, 6 and 8, 6 and 8. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 6 goes there, finishing in 15 minutes. Well, told you I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve a 2 stars puzzle. Yeah, definitely 2 stars. And I like this one, yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the last puzzle, a tectonic with 1 star. Until then, bye-bye for now.